Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 10410. This is a package of 50 clear key tags with split rings. The part number literally means that when you order one, you are ordering one bag of 50. And we'll talk about how that part number can be derived so as to give you the proper packaging and quantity that you're looking for. Let's remove one from the bag here so we can get a closer look at it. Clear bag of 50. Okay. Now let's take a look at the tag itself. This is going to be dimensional properties. Overall, end of the split ring to the end of the tag is about 3 inch. The tag itself, all the way to the end of it, is 2 1/4, and that's indicated in the extended description. The height is 15/16. To get your hands on the paper that's here, is you are literally going to slide the material out, forgive me, remove the key ring. I thought for a moment this was the foldable style. And you'll be able to work that out one way or another. There we go. You'll be able to pull that out. Obviously, for a wet application, this would not be appropriate. Does not come out the other end. This key ring's probably 15/16. Forgive me, they call it 7/8, and that's generally a dimension from the center line of the ring itself, from center to center of the ring. This is going to be a steel-based, nickel-plated, split key ring. Durable, transparent tag for keys or luggage. Just putting it back together here, forgive me. Very nice quality item. One thing that it doesn't have, and you can order it with, is a swivel type key ring. This will not sit flat if you have to hang a key in a key drawer, key cabinet, whatever. This will not swivel, so it might be a problem. For some people it is. Not being able to lay that ring flat or flush with the elevation of the key tag. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. And that full product catalog is handy, and that's how we're going to determine how to order this item in different variations. When I pull that catalog up, I can do a search by the root of the part number, like 104. You'll get to the page where these key tags with split rings are listed, and then you'll see the table there under the retail pack, how you build the part number in order to get the item that you're looking for. So specifically what it means here for us is that we are dealing with the package of 50 with a specific color, which is going to be and in a very rare instance, the manufacturer doesn't actually list this derivative of the part number in their catalog, although it's in the price list, so they understand what you need when you order the 10410. But it's actually not listed here that way in their catalog. First time I've ever seen that as the case. Moving on, you can definitely purchase bags of 50 of this material. Here's how you would do it if you needed to. You've got 104, that's the root. on the page of the manufacturer's catalog, if you were looking at it, at the key tag with split rings, you'll see that there are 8 different colors. 10 for clear, 30 for blue, 40 for green, 50 for orange, 65 for purple, 68 for magenta, 70 for red, and 80 for yellow. So the point of the matter is when you change the last 2 digits, you're changing the color. This same client ordered to show that the product catalog's not completely without merit, the 10475, and that got them the assorted color of these tags as well. I think what I'd like for them to do is to add in their industrial pack 104 plus color number, 50 per package by color. That would be nice. They don't have that there. I also went back and looked at 2 old versions of the catalog and don't see that reference to it. Where we're picking it up is the fact that it occurs on the product price list, is where it comes from. Now, the important thing that's on that page as well is you'll notice that you can purchase the inserts for the 104 tags. You can do them blank cut, blank perforated, 3-line blank, and 3-line cut and perforated. That's obviously a 3-line that we have here. And a hallmark of Lucky Line is their ability to custom print things as well, and they can do custom printing on those tags. If you're in that catalog, you can go a couple of pages before and a couple of pages after, and you're certainly going to find the sister products to this, most notably the ball chain version, which is right above there, at least on the current catalog. The snap ring style, which is a much more faster way to pull that tag on and off. I had to struggle a little bit with my thumbnail to get that open large enough to fit the key tag back in. So the ball chain or the snap ring would be more, or they call it a tang ring, tang ring. The other style with the swivel is going to be the 168 derivative part number. It's a different tag, but nonetheless that swivel ring is available on that as well. And I imagine that they can do a swivel ring on the 104 style tag on a custom order. Custom order is really the hallmark of Lucky Line, not only from the printing, but they can do a variety of items. Like, for instance, they have a line of what they call their twisty key rings. It's nylon-coated stainless steel, different colors, and they can do custom lengths of that stuff. Those nylon-coated stainless steel aircraft cable really is what it is. Rings are helpful when you need something that's corrosion resistant and can be crimped for a permanent closure. Let's say you're the person that I rent the jet ski from on the beach. We're going to want a flotation device on that key with a crimped, permanent, twisty style keyring, but you might have a custom requirement in terms of length. Lucky Line can help with that. If you have more than an occasional need for key management hardware, I would encourage you to not only review that catalog, but also maybe bookmark it, because their name is quite synonymous with the entire line of key management hardware. Any questions on the 10410 bag of 50 clear key tags or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.